Miburovo had no idea that his life was about to change when he received an invitation to watch the Hope for Africa series sponsored by Hope Channel. Recently, Hope Channel sponsored this evangelistic event in Kenya. Hundreds of thousands of people experienced life transformation and were baptized through the powerful Word of God, presented at about 10,000 locations throughout East Central Africa, broadcast on Hope Channel platforms, and shared online. Miburovo, the founder and leader of a Christian church in the nearby country of Burundi, was invited to watch the event at one of the downlink locations. In 2011, Miburovo embarked on a spiritual quest for biblical truth. Frustrated by his search for a church that fully embraced his yearning for authentic spirituality, he established his own congregation. He watched the presentations for 3 days and was captivated by what he learned from the event's main speaker, Pastor Mark Finley. Miburovo, eager to share this newfound information, invited his congregation to join him in watching the rest of the programming. Miburovo made a life-altering decision, dedicating himself anew to Christ and choosing to be baptized as a Seventh-day Adventist. Half of his congregation joined him after a few days in this transformative journey.
I am extremely happy to have received the message of salvation, and even happier because my congregation willingly joined the Adventist Church. My greatest desire is to see the people in this area come to Christ, because time is very short and Jesus is coming soon.
By the end of the series, the other half of the congregation also embraced the faith and were baptized. This story celebrates the profound influence that Hope Channel programming can have on countless hearts in Africa and around the world. Hope Channel's mission is to share the gospel through a global network. Currently, they broadcast more than 80 channels on television, as well as produce content for social media and digital platforms, including YouTube, in more than 100 languages. Hope Channel celebrated its 20th anniversary in 2023. They seek to extend their network to fulfill Jesus' command to take the gospel to all nations. Please pray for Hope Channel as they open new channels to reach unentered areas. Thank you for supporting the mission of the Seventh-day Adventist Church.